Hi guys, we in the midst of open heart surgery at the moment. Yes, it's a bunch of changes. Even my can't maintain my cold air intake. I've got to use this sports filter. This is my trashed old HKS SUV, very old. Made a lot of push sounds. Um, I'm gonna end up swapping with this slightly newer version of it, newer model. Looking forward to this. Wonder what the hype is about. At least we managed to connect my exhaust temp sensor. We're gonna be replacing all the valve springs. Cams are being cleaned now. Nice 550cc, 563cc injectors, I think, something like that. Works fuel pressure regulator back there. We'll also have a oil catch can. Nothing to see in the inside of the car because nothing's been changed yet. I'll also end up having this Rally Art muffler, original Rally Art rear muffler, which is what a lot of people want. It's quite valuable, good size. This is how the standard exhaust is for the Airtrek. Mine is 2.5 inch all the way, so mine is this size all the way, and I have one less catalytic converter, one less bullet, if you want to call it that. I think it'll be a little bit louder, a bit more noisy. Compromise for power. Small old intercooler. Evo 7 intercooler hidden back there. Unfortunately, the car is not on the hoist. Can't get you a better view than this for now. BD aluminum radiator. Power steering has a little bit of an oil leak. Everything else looks nice and clean. Valve springs being clean. One cam has been cleaned, or both cams have been cleaned. Yep. Very nicely done. Both cams are clean, ready to go in. The other set of springs. Really looking forward to this. Cams being removed and cams going in. Don't worry, they're not Tommy cams where I'm fitting in Evo 8 cams. Evo 8 MR cams apparently, don't know whether true or not, but the seller told me it's Evo 8 MR. We're going to replace the stock Airtrek cams with the Evo 8 cams, and we've already got Evo 7 GTA turbo, Evo 7 exhaust manifold, Evo 7 injectors and fuel rail, and yeah, oh, aftermarket radiator, aluminum radiator. The Evo subframe and steering rack is in. You can tell by the aluminum lower arm. The subframe's beefier, tougher. I'm remaining these knuckles. I'm replacing the absorbers. All the parts are coming from this car. we're taking the absorbers from here. That's my original subframe from this car that's already been removed. As you can see, the lower arm is steel, it's not aluminum. Subframes also less beefy, and the steering rack is not as quick as the Evo steering rack. So all those will be replaced, has been removed anyway. This was mine, is now going back into this car. And this was my top mount intercooler, which is now going into the donor car. So this car generally is being demodded, and my car is being modded. So my original turbo is put back in here. I'm also taking the interior from this car, and the rear exhaust. Looking good, looking good.